Hey, it's Chris Gately, Gately Properties, your friendly real estate business, and I am just going through my emails this morning and I noticed something very interesting I thought I would want to share with you. Let's share this. KB Homes, this is a new home builder. They are now advertising home offices as part of something that you'll find in many of their new models. I'm sure if you go into many of their new models, they're probably pulling out loft areas and converting them into home office spaces. That is a trend I think we're going to see coming into 2021. So if you are thinking of maybe selling your home, maybe one of the things you want to do is stage an area to create a dedicated home office to try to get those from new work from home buyers so that they feel comfortable buying your home because it meets their needs. I know we're seeing a lot of buyers come through that are asking for dedicated spaces for a home office on top of their already needs and wants. So that's your tip for today. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.